Welcome YouTubers, this is the Guns&Gaming Network, and today I've got a little unboxing for you. This is just part of one. I'll have the rest coming up soon, but we'll just start the unboxing. I'm using the CRKT spew knife, if y'all wondered. So let's start. Got our brown paper. Okay, first this is the Matrix Tornado holster. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's pretty much a universal holster. It'll fit pretty much anything that you throw at it. Got it in tan. I've got a couple M4 mid caps for what I'm going to be getting soon. Can't hear that. That's about 5,000 BBs, 25 grams. Shipping label. This speed loader. The box. And the APS ACP, which is the Action Combat Pistol. This is their Glock copy. This one, I got this one on special. It comes with 2 mags and the gun itself. The lower is polymer and the upper is full metal. With the Gen 2, it does not have the full blaze orange barrel, which is nice. The sights have a yellowish tint. I don't know if you can see that. And then the safety of all places is on the trigger. But yeah, this is, besides the KWA, ATP, and the Echo 1 Timberwolf, this is all that's out there. And then of course this is CO2. You'll need a key to put your CO2 in. That's what I've got for now. I'll have another unboxing sooner, but until then, I'll see you next time.